to all our friends tuning in this morning. Kita begitu ini bikin ini berapa bangan di borong belum bikin nama tadi kau bus coming to work or to school bir na levenda sabi kita begitu bikin ini nama taka binaka di kuala binaka Dems and binaka Eleanor.
Yan binaka. Good morning everyone tuning in this fine morning. It is Thursday. Thursday this morning. Nindare ni tumbay bakay rungrungo tun na anraki. Ano pangalito na naman ni pinagalebo kanu itagi ni maro teksara na bengarabi and singa ni kuwa to all the students. Happy learning. Ni itagi ni maro taki na nonton laki bulika and singa pinaga ni konta warong sarbeng guys ni buli. Listen to your teachers. Respect your teachers always. Baka talaki na bullying. Stop bullying. Say no to bullying. Respect one another.
Respect one another. Respect yourself. By keep your stationery well. Respect your life. Don't play too much. Not only for students, for us too. In the family. Sometimes our wants want to destroy us.
Yes, true.
Our needs need to keep us. So be careful of what you put inside your mouth. What you drink, what you eat, what you think. That can destroy your future planning and also your life. Sometimes what we think is over responsible in our life. Sandali pa kasama ba si biasa ni balang kay kedetal. Kuan lo moda. If you think lo moda is trying to dissolve you, please you keep on moving forward. Share your lives together with your loved ones. Love your family. Love your husband. Love your wife. Love your boss. Love whatever things.
Even if boss is angry at you, even if you are given a last chance, maybe last chance at work, at work, you are not able to meet deadlines. Pile tumbe kana muzaka kamberatiko, and boss is very angry with you. Just keep on loving your boss.
Pita tawa ke turang toba tabat ke Mr. Tawa ke ubungo na radule. Mr. Radule dong bola benaka and also to Shelly Susu from Wainranu to Boss Baby John Kumar bola benaka and enjoy everybody's this morning, this fine morning.
Valentine is around the corner. I want to ask you, gentlemen, what are you preparing for us, lady, or for your Valentine, for your wives?
For me,
yes,
I'm preparing.
Yes, what gift are you preparing, Demesi?
That's the surprise one. Because for me, every time, every day, every second, every minute, every hour, every breath I take. That is Valentine's for me.
Valentine's Day?
Valentine's is every day.
You have to be honest.
I'm close.
Okay. That's nice. That's a very good thing. Yeah, that's very good.
Valentine's is every day. Not only to my wife. Also to my children.
True.
To my parents.
Yes.
To my siblings. To my workmates. To you too.
To you too.
No. To everybody.
Toothache
for
one thing have to be clear because many like joke about single people not having their Valentine. But no, Valentine is not only for couples. It can be your friend. It can be your parents.
You can love your dog.
It can be your siblings. It can be your pets. You can treat them with love.
What is one thing, Demesi, you wish to give Chinel?
I wish to give my life.
Yes.
Yes.
To take a
sacrifice.
Musule na nung gumbula todo ko.
Right.
Viko ya mikirongay. Tos sule ni rombula wana kalo. Si baby.
Totoka ma.
Alam na
naman sabi sila na rombula po.
Sule na nung gumbula buwan mo tumiyaw.
But your life is like a black cloud.
Black cloud?
Yeah.
Because tomorrow
it's
is Black
heavy.
Friday.
Hey, John, yan mo na kata Malaysia na itini, yan mo na kata Yana, the Beta, Raya wabisa ko boss to yan.
Gorto may
to the guys or to all the listeners tuning this morning.
Right.
The main thing about Valentine's Day, your message to them.
Okay. If you think your partner dissolving his or her heart to you.
If
you think your partner it's like Nangaunan dondonu, we have different kind of knots.
Right.
Yeah.
But I beg you with two kind of knots.
Yeah.
Doon
Riff
na
knot.
Riff knots.
Yeah.
Besu poleni.
Yeah.
And also, kung
Yana
besu
wata bulin bikim na kanta.
Wata bulin mi adu into mona.
Senta ada spoiler ni.
Besu poleni, kung besu
Explain. How do you tie?
Besu, the kind of besu, we used to tie on the pig's neck, on the leg.
Oh, okay, you're right. Yeah.
Kami kuni tight, tunga de.
Right.
Just right.
Iyo,
Just
sao.
Yeah.
right.
Depending on na medo na kuni tight.
Yeah.
Ni besu
Alright.
do ko ayado tight,
Yeah.
ni musuka na ba ni buaka.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Say some of us we use during the besumbul Macau, meka
Yeah.
kontador meron daw irtungan ng dali.
Right.
That's a best pollen.
Right.
Our loved ones
Yeah.
should be like that.
Oh.
Maybe su pollen.
Right.
Yeah.
Maybe su
You love them?
You love
But you
them.
let
Me
them-
kuni okuna tikoya, me kuni maboa,
Right.
me kuni tight sara.
Yeah.
Hindi na sirin nila ko na songo.
Right.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Me kuni musibwa.
Yeah.
Right.
Just make him or her comfortable with
Right.
your love.
Wana now.
Yeah.
Demis. Wana now.
Don't binaka.
You see the red in the heart.
Yeah.
It symbolizes the blood. The blood that help you
Yeah.
to test in your DNA.
We.
The DNA which having the hemoglobin
Yeah.
that help you in your life.
Yeah.
So you need to love your loved ones.
Yeah.
Sometimes you hate them not only by hands
Right.
Yeah.
or by karate.
But by words.
You hate them by words.
And also the facial expression.
Facial expression.
Yeah.
Sometimes you ibinakalaki na lauteke mo na ostangane.
Right.
May nabosa mo si ni berukaki.
Yeah.
And then do the kababeso.
Yes, hindi na
Right.
Sarah.
Eh?
True,
Yeah.
true,
It
true.
destroys the inner soul of the heart.
Right.
Because heart, we can take the herbal medicine to cure your heart.
Take away your heart.
Take away your heart,
men,
Meday.
but the tumbya sa nasirikaw.
You tie your esophagus.
Kuno itu net. Yo tayo esophagus. Tayo esophagus. Yo yan na pinaka orto na diri mas katia.
Yeah.
Tu tabale Jim Subinambuka.
Yeah.
And also tu kase Johnson Robes kakaramu kono tu ni kandabu mayawe.
Yan binaka.
Binaka.
So if you say to your Valentine, I give my heart to you.
Right.
Kaku di baka boso wala Demis.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Show it. Bakit ka?
Iyo.
Kaku di
True.
baka boso wala nga.
Iyo.
Right.
O sa geraraw siyo
Not giving your real heart.
Yeah.
Not give your real heart to your Valentine's. Don't give because you're gonna lose weight. Yeah. Just the symbolize,
Yeah.
Right.
the meaning, the authority, the goosebump you give to your loved ones. Because once your heart is fulfilled with love,
Right.
you can see in your neighbor.
Yeah.
Right.
You can see in your Valentine.
Okay, one
You
time, one
should
time.
give your love to William Elinganganga.
Gore rosa parwabo guri. Okay. If you give your heart to your loved one, your Valentine,
Right.
and your Valentine is giving back just a half
Half
of
of-
her heart,
Right.
what should
Is
you
it
do?
okay?
I respect.
Regule mo ka.
I respect. You respect.
Yeah, I respect.
Yeah.
Okay.
I respect.
Yeah.
Because whatever you do in this world,
Right.
we will be. And that's how we become that.
Yeah.
Eh? If I give my full,
It's weighed upon you, eh?
yeah, if I give my whole
Right.
body. Kaya ko solya na nung kumbula tao ko, my everything. Eh?
Okay.
Apa tu nak ngalam? Kita setam naman.
Mosolya na nung kumbula tao ko. Mosolya na nung kumbula tao ko. Kaya mo talo mani, eh? Kaya na ya.
Sa mandu apa?
Erto sa weekend na masih. Bongga nindo momu.